right, thank you so much. That was our last debate in the business right here, and of course, what's up? How was it? That's question.
Meus que a gente vai ver besti, manje ver, não me joga manje socialmente.
Alright. Alright, so this is how we come to the end of this program today on Lifeboat TV, and of course you've been with me, Warren Shakomba, but I feel like it is so important to obviously be able to check out some people being in the background, of course, behind the curtains, doing all this arrangement. To come on the podium, to see their faces, of course, how they look like. Obviously, we might be thinking that not quite the background, not quite the background. But I really wanted to see the CEO to come in front, so that since we launched this program on TV, Lifeboat TV, we've not actually have time to chat with our CEO or maybe the director of this so-called Lifeboat TV. But anyway, I'm going to call one of the acting directors who've been directing this show in the background. You can come through, my brother, just to say a few things behind the scenes. I also had my co-presenter, though you haven't seen us on the camera, the two of us. But anyway, it has been so awesome to have you, brother man, DJ Hansen. Okay, so we actually wish you all the best. Next week has become before coming on the show.
So na fikire bati ge boti ja da fina jo gani na fina ne we ne moyo modaga. Okay. So wale picha mo wa gai pati la bo mbwe ka ne de wa manje ne go pizza pi boti ja da
Okay, I got my guy on the other side of things before. Moscow. Alright, Moscow. How are you doing?
Hey, doing great, bro.
Great. This show is now in existence for two times now. How do you actually evaluate this show?
Yeah, this show is very, very important, especially to the young upcoming artists. And so far, so good, obviously, you can tell by yourself. And really, this is a platform for the young people to make sure that they showcase their talents. So Lifeboat is actually doing something for them. So appreciate the people that are coming through just to make sure that this is possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much. I also see my other G, of course, on my far left this side. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Great. We would like to know you, and we want to know the role. And I saw you in the background, behind the scenes. I saw what you were doing. Would you just share with us on TV what you were doing in the background?
Okay, about program here, we have to see because us make DJ card no level, put take things to another level. The moment I'm artist, when I watch right, so coming from key to Mufurela. Yeah, me and my DJ. I'm a club DJ, stroke radio DJ. It's a Bangola ICU, DJ Kingdom of MFM. The Lifeboat is into once. Which you want, okay? It was a once. And I realized the jam sound. That's me check out another level. Official cards and the next side.
Alright, thank you so much, you guys. You're really awesome and you rock it. I really love the fact that you could just show up right here. A big up to you, a big up to you. Wishing you all the best as we continue in the life of this beautiful boat. Of course. Okay, with me, we're going to wrap up with my guy right here. What do you have to say, my guy?
Well, it is an exciting moment for us as presenters to see what massive talent we have around. Because looking at the performances that the guys came in with, I would like just to emphasize to other upcoming artists out there to see what they can do to music. They can teach others about what the current situation which we're facing right now, which is the coronavirus. They can do something about that. So as Lifeboat Studios, we are giving them that chance to showcase themselves. We're calling this as a Lifeboat TV show. And for all those that want to be part of this show, please feel free to contact us with the numbers scrolling on the screens so that they can interact with us one day. You know, they will never know. The sky's the limit.
Exactly. Sure.
So, just to wrap up everything, we do this show every Sundays from 13 hours, where we do the registration and everything. And 14 exactly, we start the show. We start the show together with the presenters in the house, which is Charles.
All right.
But I've had fun with you.
Oh yeah? I've had fun with you too, and I feel like I deserve to be on this show.
So what I'm going to do next is that we are also emphasizing other, the so-called, what do you call this?
Artists, presenters?
No, the artists, I mean the dramatists, the comedians.
Yeah.
So that we have something for them where we can also showcase their talents.
Okay.
We never know what those guys are reading. So as Lifeboat, we're giving them everything concerning art. Whatever you have and concerning art, please bring it forward. And let's see what you can show to the way. It's been a massive, very fantastic day.
That's been awesome, I promise it has been awesome. Looking forward to see you again right here on Lifeboat TV. A big up to you. Alright, thank you so much. That's how we come to the end of this interesting edition of Lifeboat Show right here. And of course, I hope you've had fun and really you just feel deserving watching this interesting edition of Lifeboat TV. Of course, today we're going to say our goodbyes from here, but we're going to make some few announcements behind the scenes so that we make it clear even as we get back on the platform by next week on a Sunday. Remember to love, or rather to subscribe to this YouTube channel, or rather maybe on Facebook, so that you're able to be informed each and every time that we post something right here on this channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Big up to you, the executive producer. Of course, this has been Kabulieni General with some other guys in the background, as well as DJ Mix on the camera. Thank you so much. Even to the CEO, we say thank you so much. We really appreciate for giving us this platform, making sure that things are moving better and awesome. Even to my brother man, that is what is mine? Hey! He was actually whispering to me to say, I hope this is gonna be fun and awesome, and I know that he's going to actually confirm and confess to say things were good and fun. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. See you next time.